Experience the finest mix of technology and efficiency. Presenting Victo Plus Water Heaters. In a unique design, a blend of elegance and durability with a convenient temperature control knob and digital display. Made of high-quality steel and anti-corrosive coating, an inner tank suitable for hard water too, an 8-bar pressure, perfect for high-rise buildings, and warranties that ensure peace of mind. There's more, a free accessory kit and authorized installation. Victo Plus, smart and reliable geyser from V-Guard, a trustworthy brand for over 40 years. V-Guard, bring home a better tomorrow.